Hello, I'm Matthew from FRC Team 1987, the Broncobots. Welcome to the Broncobots Season Progress video number 3. This week our team has been hard at work. Specifically, we have finally finished our CAD and started assembly. With our CAD finished, we can begin the assembly of our chassis. And while the chassis is being assembled, our programmers have been grinding away at our computers, working tirelessly to complete our end Effector subsystem. We're looking forward to testing and refining it in the coming days. Last week, we had our final Alliance dinner on the campus of Lee Summit High School, with 2 shops being constructed at Lee Summit West High School and Lee Summit North High School. For us, we are glad we were able to revive this tradition one last time before it goes away. 2 weeks ago, the Broncobots started a Super Bowl Squares fundraiser when the Chiefs won the AFC Championship. A square with the right numbers at the end of each quarter will win a cash prize. Since it's Super Bowl Sunday, good luck to all those who purchase a square, and go Chiefs! In addition to the Football Squares fundraiser, the Broncobots also participated in our annual outreach project for Hope House in coordination with the R7 Alliance. Hope House is a non-profit dedicated to making sure every man, woman, and child affected by domestic abuse can find refuge and help if they should need it. If you'd like to make a donation, we would love to have you drop it off at our shop space or donate it online to hopehouse.net. We also wanted to give a shout out to our sponsors, Soundworks Recording Studio and the Gene Haas Foundation, for their support. We couldn't do this without them and greatly appreciate all they do for us. Thank you so much. In addition to this, thanks so much for watching this week's Broncobots updates, and this concludes it. Have a good one.